This chicken gets ready in no time with its lip smacking taste. To make this recipe, add 3 tablespoons yogurt in a bowl. Then add into it 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic chili paste. If you don't have ginger garlic chili paste, then add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Add salt as per taste. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 3 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Squeeze half lemon. Add fenugreek leaves. Add color, but it's optional. Add 2 tablespoon oil, and whenever you marinate chicken, you should always add oil to it because it reduces its harmful effect of the acid present in the spices. And also dissolve the spices well, and as soon as it enters the chicken, the oil envelops it, so always add oil. Mix all these spices well. Now I am going to add into it around 800 grams of chicken and marinate it at least for 10 minutes. You could also freeze and store this marination, and whenever you want, remove it and use it. It makes works very easy. Now heat up a vessel, add butter into it and allow it to melt. Then add marinated chicken, add a little bit of water, then stir it gently, add coriander leaves, then cover it and cook on low to medium flame. Note one thing here, if you are adding water to it, add it very little water. It's also okay if you are not adding water. It will release its own water, so be careful while adding water. But here I have added water. That's because the leftover masala was there in a bowl, so I didn't want it to waste that masala. So that's why I added. Keep checking the chicken, otherwise the masala will stick to the vessel. After few minutes, you will see oil on the top of it. It means the masala is cooked. And also check the chicken whether it's done or not. When chicken gets done, then keep its lid open and dry up the masala on a high flame. When you keep its lid open on a high flame, so this masala will get thick. And when you see the masala is getting thick, then turn off the flame. Now dish out and see, it gets ready very quickly. This is one of my favorite dish. If suddenly any guests come to your house, so you have an option to make this kind of chicken. If you are serving this to your guest, garnish with coriander leaves and ginger and green chilies. Try this quick chicken recipe and let me know in the comment section. And please watch my other videos too. It turns out amazing. And also subscribe and support my channel. Thank you for watching.